much. Next up, we have someone who is from Tom's Guide. She's going to introduce the folks from uCiC. Please give a hand to Jill Shar. Jill, come on up here. Sure.
What's the traffic like on Route 10 in Los Angeles? How long is the line at Grimaldi's Pizza in Brooklyn? What does it look like on the ground at a music festival or a concert? What you see, I can see, and vice versa, thanks to the new app, uCiC. This app essentially crowdsources vision, letting users see through the eyes of any other app users. I can send a request to see a photo of just about anything in the world, and other uCiC users in the area will receive my request, snap a photo of their surroundings, and send it back to me. And wherever I am, whether that's here in Vegas or back home in New York City, I'll receive requests for images of places or things near me based on my phone's GPS, and I can go photograph them and send the images back through the uCiC network. Here to demonstrate the connective power of uCiC are the app's creators, uCiC Singh and Harleen Kaur.
I'm very excited to be here today because CES is where so many great technologies have launched over the years. When it comes to consumer technology innovation, CES is the center of the universe. This is definitely the right place. But applications usually lag behind technology. It takes time for us to fully realize the potential of new hardware. For example, Marconi, the inventor of the radio, first thought that if the weather was bad and you couldn't go to church on Sunday morning, you could instead stay at home and listen to the sermon on the radio. For all his genius, Marconi underestimated the impact that the radio would have on our world. The computer, as the name implies, was intended to calculate and process information. However, it was not the processing power, but the connectivity that brought us to the age of the internet. You see, the trend has always been that when you stop using technology in isolation and use it to engage everyone, that is when you unleash its true potential. I believe we're reaching that age of maturity for mobile. When you stop seeing this as a thing we take everywhere with us, and start seeing it as a device that is everywhere, even when we're not. So as web-first apps start to pass the baton onto mobile-first apps, we believe this is the right place and the right time to launch uCiC on iOS, Android, and Amazon right here, right now at the Mobile App Showdown. uCiC is an app based on a simple idea that you can reach out beyond your family and friends, beyond your social network, out to anyone with a smartphone, whether you know them or not, and ask them, hey, what's happening over there? uCiC is a real-time, location-based, visual request system that lets you be the right person at the right time, even when you're not. Can we have the phone, please? The app allows you to pick any location in the world, and in real time, you can see if there are users there. The pins that you see on screen are users currently present in the area. Some of them have shared their profile details. Others are available anonymously. Simply select a group of users inside a radius and type up a message to ask them for a photo or video of anything around them. This could be a lost backpack. This could be the lineup at the burger place. This could be the vibe at the club. This could be used in emergency situations. Robin mentioned Paris. That would be a very good use case for this app. Natural disasters. You could help locate victims of flash floods and earthquakes. Or you could just help somebody have fun at night. You send out the request, and instantly, the users on the other end get a push notification on their phone. It takes about 3 seconds of our time to read the question, to look around, and to help out somebody who might be standing hours away. And in real time, you will be able to get the information that you can get on any service on the web. Because this might be a question that you might be the first person to ask this question in the entire world, and maybe it just became relevant to you. And maybe it's only worth it if you get it in the next 20 minutes. Simply point the camera, take a picture, and send it back. As soon as the request is completed, it shows up right on the phone of the requester. She can now take this freshly sourced image, rate it, pass on some good karma to keep the request cycle going, and this image can now be shared to anyone. You can share it through text message, you can share it in-app, or you can share it on social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google+, right from the app itself. Once you type up the message, it gets posted up wherever you want, and that, we believe, is the start of something amazing. Thank you.
Let's hear it for uCiC. Well done, guys. Well done. People are using it now to see if there are any cookies left here at Mobile App Showdown.